Good morning, everybody. I thought I would come out here to one of the many splash pads in the city. This one is on Chancellor, but I will give you a link down below where you can find the rest of them. With the prediction for today being greater than 30 degrees and maybe the Humidex even getting as high as 40, tomorrow being even hotter, I thought it was apropos that I'd come here and let you know about the splash pads, places to cool down. Because it's going to be so hot, really be careful with the heat. Stay out of the midday sun if you can. Wear a hat, sunscreen, sunglasses. Cool down if you can. The heat can be dangerous. I'll give you a little bit more about that. A couple of little interesting facts. Today, we're going to be at 11 days over 30 degrees this year. The record was in 2021 at 35 days over 30 degrees. And the hottest day that we've experienced here is 42.2 in 1919. I hope you stay cool and have a great time. Be aware of the weather as you're headed out. Bye.